look around until I found someone who laughs like you.
So I'm sure everyone can relate that some days you just aren't feeling your best and you kind of just need to do something to make yourself feel good, whether that be mentally or physically or even emotionally. So the first thing I do when I get up in the morning, I'm trying to get better at, but I do check my phone just to see what time it is, check any notifications or any text messages. Once I'm done checking my phone, I realize that, you know what, I should probably get up, even if I don't want to. So I open my blinds just to see what the weather is like. So one of the first things that I always have to do in the morning right away is brush my teeth because I just love having fresh breath. So lately I have been absolutely obsessed with my Carbon Fairy charcoal and coconut oil toothpaste. I love this stuff because not only does it help to naturally whiten your teeth, which is great for me, especially since I literally cannot function without my Dunkin' cold brew, but also my teeth are super sensitive, so I can't really use normal whitening products, and I don't really want to because they do have a lot of harsh chemicals and things like that in there. So I like that this product is natural and it won't cause any sensitivity to my teeth. The one thing I was unsure of with this product was how it would taste because it does have charcoal and coconut oil in it, but it actually tastes really good. It's also cruelty-free and vegan, and it's free from sulfates and fluorides. I've been using this toothpaste for about 2 weeks now, and you can notice a slight difference after the first use, but the more you use it, the more drastic the results will be, just like with any other kind of product. Carbon Fairy is actually a Canadian brand, and they have free shipping worldwide, so if you are interested in trying out this product, which I highly recommend that you do, I will have a link down in the description. Next, I jump in the shower just because it feels good to get washed off and feel nice and clean first thing in the morning. Lately, I have been obsessing over the Wella Fusion Plex shampoo, and I also love the hair mask, but I've ran out of that, so I haven't used it in a little while. But I love this shampoo because it is color safe, so it's not going to damage your color, and it's going to help to make it last longer. So once I rinse out my shampoo, one thing I always do when I shower is I use a hair mask or a deep conditioner. I just find that my hair responds really well to this. It just makes it feel very healthy and soft, and I definitely notice that my hair has been growing quicker. The mask I'm using today is by Wella. Also, this is their Luxe oil mask, which unfortunately is discontinued, RIP. If you have ever used the Luxe oil line by Wella, you will know how absolutely amazing it is. I am so sad, and I'm coming down to the very last drop of this product, but I like to comb that through my hair. As you can see, I'm listening to music, but I like to comb that through my hair just to make sure that it's evenly distributed. Another thing I like to do on days where I just want to feel good, I love to exfoliate my body with a coffee scrub. Coffee scrubs are great because of the caffeine. It helps to improve your circulation, it can help with stretch marks and cellulite, and more than anything, it just makes your skin so insanely soft. This is one of my all-time favorite coffee scrubs that I have tried. I got it at Ulta. This is by the brand Maui, and I cannot even describe how incredibly amazing this stuff smells. They also have a matching lotion, which I used to have, but I ran out of it, and the combination of those two together are just freaking amazing. I love it so much. But the next thing I'm going to do is exfoliate my skin. This is by NXN. This is their Glow Remedy exfoliant. I recently discovered them and saw that they were doing a promo where you could basically just pay shipping on any kind of kit that they had, and you would get a free 30-day trial. And I was kind of a skeptic at first because I get weird about my skincare because I know what I like and I know what works best, but I have been loving these products. I got the kit that is more geared towards hydration, and it just makes your skin so soft and so smooth, and it hasn't made my skin too oily, which is something that I love. And then next, I just like to shave because I love having soft skin. I absolutely love to moisturize once I get out of the shower, so lately I have been loving this Palmer's Coconut Oil Lotion. It just smells really good and makes your skin really soft. Now, would this even be a pamper routine if I didn't put on a face mask? I am using my Badescu Flour and Tonic mask. This is just supposed to help with breakouts. It just helps to kind of unclog your pores and just kind of clear out your skin. So I like to put this on, and then you can have this on for, I believe it's like up to 30 minutes. So after I put this on, I just went in and brushed out my hair and added some of my favorite hair oil. I am such a sucker for hair oils, you guys, and lately I have been loving this one by Amika just because the smell of this is just everything you could ever ask for. I am just in love with the smell of all of their products. But once I put my hair oil on, I'm just going to pull my hair out of my face just so that it doesn't get in my face mask. And then I just like to go and tidy up my room and kind of clear out my space just to clear out my head. You always hear a clean house is a clean mind, and that is just so true. I am someone who is very affected by my environment, so having a clean room just helps me feel a bit more relaxed and calm. Then I like to open my blinds and let some light in just because it helps me feel more awake and just at peace with my surroundings, because if I'm in a dark room, I'm going to feel tired and lazy and unmotivated. And I also like to set my plants up on my windowsill. I am such a sucker for plants. I especially love succulents. So I like to put them in this area just because it is the best place for sunlight in my room, and they all fit perfectly on this windowsill here. So then I like to just finish tidying up my room and ignore those shelves. That's usually where I have my plants, and then that weird thing coming off the top of my light is a grow light. Also, if any of you guys have any recommendations for grow lights, please let me know, but I just like to tidy up the rest of my room. So by now it's usually time to take off the face mask, so I just like to throw my hair up and then I dampen a towel with warm water and just rub this mask off. I find that this is the easiest way to remove it because it does dry kind of pretty intensely on the skin. So in areas where it doesn't really want to come off, I just press the towel against my skin, and that kind of helps to just loosen up that face mask. After that, I like to tone my skin to balance the pH. This is my Christine Balmy 5.5 pH toner. This is very gentle and it doesn't make my skin too oily, or it doesn't dry it out. It kind of just helps to even out the pH on my skin and make my skin feel ready for moisturizer. So this again is by NXN, and this is their Zero Gravity Whipped Day Cream, and I am so obsessed with this product. It makes my skin so soft. I don't even know how to describe it. It is just such a lightweight moisturizer. It doesn't make my skin oily. It doesn't feel heavy. It's just enough to really make my skin feel nice and moisturized. On days like this, I love to start off my morning with something healthy and something that's just going to make me feel good and fill my body with antioxidants. So I'm going to make myself an acai bowl. I could literally live off of these things. I am obsessed with them. So all I do is just run these packets under some water just to thaw them out a little bit. And then I put them into the NutriBullet cup and I add some frozen banana and some water, and then I just mix it all up. And I find this mix up best in the NutriBullet when you kind of like shake it, because the frozen piece can get stuck, so just shaking it around to make sure that everything is evenly blended. Once it is all mixed up, I like to add some granola on top of it, and then I also drizzle a little bit of honey, and then I add a little bit of extra banana onto the top of it. While I'm eating, I usually like to just sit down and watch some YouTube videos. Another thing that I like to do is pet my dog. I seriously am just such a dog lover. It's not even funny. I'm like a crazy dog lady. After I spend some time with him, I will sit down and either check emails or reply to some comments, or I will sit down and edit some content for you guys. I have definitely been trying to read more books lately, especially on days where I might just not be feeling the best, because it really helps to kind of just reset my brain and put me in more of a positive mental headspace. So right now I am currently reading The Power of Positive Thinking, and I have really been enjoying it. I like to keep a pen or a highlighter or something nearby when I'm reading so that I can go through and highlight things that either help me or just kind of speak to me and make me feel good, so that if I want to go back and skim through the book, I can really read what spoke to me and what sticks out to me. So I have been enjoying reading a lot lately. If you have any book recommendations, please let me know down below, because I've read a couple now and I am kind of stuck on what to read next. I don't really know, so let your girl know down below. Then what I like to do sometimes is just watch an episode of any TV show that I'm watching. So right now I'm currently obsessed with Ozark. If you guys haven't seen it, definitely check it out. And if you have any recommendations on any kind of shows that I should watch, let your girl know. Usually too, when I'm watching TV or reading or really just chilling on my bed in general, my dog will jump up there with me, so then I spend some more time with him because he is just so freaking cute. So then when he finally gets bored of me, I like to just sit down, and even if it's just 10 or 15 minutes, I like to just sit in silence and give myself some time to meditate. This is something that definitely takes practice, but once you're really able to sit down and relax and really get into meditation, it makes such a huge difference in just my overall headspace for the day and how I am feeling. So I find this is just an absolute must on days where I'm just not feeling great. Okay, I hope this lighting isn't too terrible, and I hope I'm in focus, and I hope that I don't look as disgusting as I think I do, because I don't have my monitor with me, so I really can't see what is recording. Welcome to my channel, it's a hot mess. So I wanted to keep it real with you guys for this video, because a lot of times you'll see like morning routines and things like that, and you can tell people still have their makeup on and their hair done, and I just wanted to get real with you guys and show you what I do when I just want to feel, I kind of hit myself kind of hard. I just wanted to show you guys what I do on days where I'm just not feeling the best, whether that be mentally or physically, just to kind of recharge and detox, if you will. This is kind of like my detox pamper routine. I guess that's what we're going to call this video. If you want to see me incorporate more laid-back videos like this onto my channel, then just give this video a thumbs up so I know, because I actually had a lot of fun filming this for you guys, and I'm sure it's going to be a lot of fun to edit too, because I have some ideas up in my dome on what I want to do with this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and don't forget to follow me on social media. I will have all of that linked down below. My neighbors are watching. Not watching, but they can see me, and it's making me uncomfortable, so I'm just gonna fix this situation. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. We are so close to 800 subscribers. I'm so excited, and I want to thank Carbon Fairy for making today's video possible. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. I almost just dropped that. 769, baby!